You think you're living peacefully, sipping your coffee, scrolling through your feed, feeling like everything's fine, until you realize some of your daily habits are silently wrecking you faster than a late-night binge of your favorite show. Yes, you, the one who says, "I'm good," nothing happens. The truth is, your body is quietly keeping score of every mistake. And the worst part? These are things you do every single day without even noticing. Number 1. Sitting for hours without moving a muscle. You drop onto the couch, open Netflix just to watch one episode, and before you know it, you've finished 3 seasons. Your body becomes so still it could qualify as a historical monument. Meanwhile, inside you, blood circulation plummets. Your muscles shut down like a bad Wi-Fi signal, and your spine folds like a cardboard box. Scientifically, sitting for long periods reduces blood flow and compresses spinal discs. The result? Pain, weakness, and fatigue you mistake for getting older. Get up every hour and take a short walk. Your body will thank you. Number 2, dry eyes from staring at screens without blinking. You open TikTok for just a minute, fall into a mystical trance, and forget blinking exists. Your blink rate disappears faster than a flash sale. Science explains, focusing too long can reduce blinking by up to 60%, leaving your eyes drier than the desert. That's when blurred vision, headaches, and the feeling of sand in your eyes appear. Stop every 20 minutes and look into the distance. And please, blink. Your eyes aren't 4K cameras. Number 3, headphones at apocalypse volume. You put on your headphones, and they practically fuse with your skull. Hours of music, podcasts, and your aunt's voice notes roll on non-stop. Inside, your ear becomes a tropical spa for bacteria, warm, moist, and perfect for infection. On top of that, loud volumes destroy auditory cells, bringing on hearing loss that creeps up quietly, just like your bills. Take your headphones off for a few minutes and lower the volume. Silence won't kill you. Number 4, holding your urine until your body gives up. Your body sends the signal, "Hey, it's time to go." But you, the warrior, think you're above biology and keep scrolling. Meanwhile, your bladder is begging for mercy. Holding it too long increases internal pressure, strains your muscles, and can push bacteria upward, causing painful urinary infections. Go to the bathroom the moment you feel the urge. It's not weakness, it's self-care. Number 5, sleeping in twisted positions. Thinking, "It'll pass tomorrow." You crash in whatever position like a tired shrimp. The problem? Your spine spends hours trying to figure out what you've done. Poor sleeping posture misaligns your neck, shoulders, and lower back, leaving you sore as if you fought a truck. Adjust your pillow and position before sleeping. Your future self will thank you. In the end, your body is constantly negotiating with you. It tries to keep you running while you keep breaking the most basic rules of biology as if you were immortal. The good news is simple. Change your habits. Change your future. Small adjustments can save your spine, your eyes, your ears, and the most exhausted version of yourself. Now, if you think these habits were strange enough, wait until you see what's next. In the next episode, we'll reveal the parts of your body you still have for no apparent reason. Those biological relics evolution forgot to remove, still hanging around like apps you never use but can't delete. Curious? Leave a comment sharing which of these habits you're guilty of. And of course, subscribe to Einstein Explains It so you don't miss the next video, where learning is actually fun.